Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to remove background in Filmora. If you want to remove your background and add something new, this video is for you. So in order to remove the background, first open the Filmora app on a mobile device, then select the video you want to remove the background in. After you've selected the video, you'll see many options on the bottom. Select the video, then scroll until you see an option called Smart Cutout, then tap on it. Here you'll see an option called Remove Background. Tap on it and it will take some time for the app to cut out. So when the cutout process succeeds, you can go ahead and select any frame where you want to remove the background in. And this is it. This is how you can remove background in Filmora. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.